Understanding, demote in rank, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, demote in rank. This phrase is often used in professional and organizational contexts, so understanding it can be really helpful, especially in a work environment. Let's dive in. Demote in rank refers to the action of lowering someone's position or status in an organizational hierarchy. It's the opposite of a promotion. When someone is demoted, they might move to a lower level in the company or take on responsibilities that are considered less prestigious or important. It's important to note that demotion is not just about title or position. It often affects one's responsibilities, authority, and sometimes salary. There are several reasons why someone might be demoted in rank. Some of the common reasons include performance issues, if an employee is not meeting the expectations of their current role. Organizational changes, sometimes, restructuring in a company can lead to certain positions being downgraded or removed. Disciplinary actions, in cases of misconduct or violation of company policies. Understanding these reasons can help us grasp the context in which this phrase is used. To better understand demote in rank, let's look at some examples. 1. After the merger, several managers were demoted in rank to accommodate the new structure. 2. Due to his repeated tardiness, John was demoted in rank from team leader to a regular team member. These examples show how the phrase is used in real-life situations. Here are a few sentences that demonstrate how you can use this phrase. The company had to demote some employees in rank due to budget cuts. Being demoted in rank was a wake-up call for her to improve her work ethic. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, demote in rank. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in your conversations, especially in a professional setting. Remember, English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. See you in our next video.